Trading offers a lot of self-judgmental opportunities. Some of us get really good at it and are masters at talking ourselves down. But sometimes you just need someone to tell you you're doing okay. You're doing alright, and it's fine to feel a little low. There is no one more important than you and how you feel. And only you are in charge of how you feel. And today, I'm going to show you a little technique you can use right now in this very moment to lift you up, to lighten your mood, offer you a neutral and balanced sense. Everything is much clearer when we feel at ease with ourselves. So here's how you're going to neutralize all your doubts. We're gonna start real low, lower than you feel right now, and we will slowly progress to a little worse, and from a little worse to a little less of that, and to bad, to a little bad, and finally to not feeling bad at all. I feel nothing is working out for me. The more I give, the more I lose. I just cannot succeed. I've never succeeded, there's no hope. Now pull yourself a little higher. I just can't make it. And I'm looking at people around me that aren't making it either. No one's making money. There are just a selected few who are rich. Now, I've done a few things that worked, but it's not that strong yet. And when I look around me, I see that I'm ahead of them. I know a lot and I keep adding to my knowledge almost every day. And the more I learn, the more I earn. I've pulled off some great, real big trades. When I compare myself to where I was in the beginning, I feel I'm light years ahead. I soar to completely new heights every time I engage and do something new. And when I completely focus, very big things happen in my life because I can. I done so before and continue doing great things. I will continue to expand my limits and do greater because I believe in myself. Now, get a little more specific. Talk about your passion and field of focus in trading. Acknowledge the competence you carry. I know that my trading setups play to the tune of the market. I know that I'm onto something very big. People around me keep telling me that there's great potential in what I do, that this thing is just screaming to take off astronomically, and in the very near future I'll trade my setups with great joy and confidence, knowing that I will benefit immensely financially and emotionally from my great success. Approaching it this way, by starting from a very low point, bringing reasons that you come to believe are true, will neutralize all negatives. Because sometimes it's just very difficult to commit to what you believe is true while you're paying attention to the things that go wrong. Most of our things we have to ignore down moods and pretend they don't exist and just grind on, but that's not practical or sustainable. So we start from a very low point and add our beliefs that we're passionate about and build it up to a level where you come to realize those negatives are dwarfed by the massive amount of positives you have in you. From there you take it into the details about your greatness, and all of a sudden, after 3 minutes of self-talk, you will identify yourself with who you truly are and come to realize that you are a really big deal.